Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix sound or audio issues in the game Slay the Spire 2. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is steps to fix sound problem in Slay the Spire 2 game. So on your PC go to Windows settings. On the left click on system and then click on sound. Scroll down and under the advanced option click on more sound settings. And then select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on properties. Now go to the spatial sound tab and here from the drop down select off and then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, and if spatial sound is already set to off, then select Windows Sonic for headphones instead from the drop down, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Fix 2, make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for the audio settings within the Slay the Spire 2 game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Also make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Additionally, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using speakers and see if that helps or not. Now if you are using a Bluetooth headphones, then here follow the steps. Right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray and select show Bluetooth devices. Scroll to the bottom and select more devices and printer settings. Right click your headphones and select properties. So go to services tab, uncheck hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Click on apply and then launch the game and check if it solves your issue or not. Fix 4, set default sound device. So click on sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game, and after the sound device is selected, just restart the game and then check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 5 is to update audio drivers. Open device manager and click on sound, video and game controllers. Right click on your audio device and click on update driver. Click on search automatically for drivers and wait for the process to complete, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to disconnect additional peripheral devices. Your sound settings can be altered by additional peripheral devices. So disconnect any peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, etc. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve sound or audio issues in Slay the Spire 2 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.